Welcome everybody to Travel About, and today we rockhound. Okay, our first mission is to go to the hardware store and buy a bucket. I had a bucket, but it flew out of the back of the truck somewhere. We lost the bucket. So we're gonna go buy another bucket. Let's begin our rock hounding adventure. Guys, we do not have an address. We have some very sketchy instructions. Go west, go left, go east, and stuff like that. And that's what we're gonna follow. So we're gonna go west. We found a sign, and signs are good, but we don't actually see a sign that tells us where to go. So there's a road going there, there's a road going there, and there's a road going there. I think I'm supposed to go this way. I'll figure it out. This is pretty confusing. There is absolutely no signage up here, and we are on some pretty crazy dirt roads just going over mountains. This almost looks more like a four-wheeling trail to me. So I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to try drive my truck up this giant hill in front of me, not knowing what's on the other side. I think I might walk up there first. I think I might walk up that hill and see what the heck is up there. I don't feel like I'm in a place I'm supposed to be right now. If you get my drift. Well, I can drive it. I mean, I don't know what to do, guys. I'm confused. There's a big old sign at the bottom that said we're here, but then you're just nowhere. And you know what I feel about these stupid people who can't put a sign up. All right, y'all, we've turned around, and there is, wow. Okay, someone has been mining down in there pretty deep. This is completely barbed wired off. So there was supposed to be sunstones littering the area. Littering. I've yet to see anything that resembles a sunstone. I also cannot figure out where I'm supposed to be or what I'm supposed to do. There's no signage, except the one at the beginning, which doesn't tell you where to go. So I think we're done with our rock hounding experience. Quite disappointing. Had envisioned finding these everywhere and cracking up rocks with my hammer and all of that business, and there's just nothing here, y'all.
Closest thing to it is pieces of shards of glass. They're amber colored.
Yeah, there's a lot of glass, beer bottles out here. So unless this place has just been picked clean, I mean, we are on a knoll. There is a mine there. But my instructions was talking about stuff like looping around. Well, this doesn't go anywhere. That's a drop off. That's a hill. And we were up there a minute ago. That didn't go anywhere. So there's no way to drive around this one. because there's no road. I mean, I can walk up here a little further, but I'm not sure I know what a sunstone looks like, even if I saw it. That's just like gravel or something. So I think we're done with our rockhounding thing. This didn't pan out, but it was a really nice drive out here anyway. I don't recommend coming out here. There's nothing here. Don't come here. All you can do is see the sign at the entrance. This place has been it's either been cleaned out, which is what I think has happened. Welcome everybody to day 2, take 2. This is Sunstone Knoll. This is a part of our quest to be a rockhound, and we came out here yesterday and it was a miserable failure. So I went back, got on Google Earth, thinking this can't be a failure. I mean, this is a website. They got signs, and so what's going on? So I went on the internet, and this is where we went yesterday. And right up on that hill, you can see in the video from yesterday, there is a big giant hole in the ground. There's a mine, and we went all over the place. But I followed this road on Google Earth, and it goes around the back, and believe it or not, there was another hole in the ground. We're gonna go around there today for take 2. Let's go. Okay guys, we are approaching the, well, I don't know where we're approaching, but we took the first turn to the right, and we're going around this giant knoll to my left. And this may be a failure as well. I do not know, but I just bound and determined to find a sunstone. And sorry for my voice. We're on a really bad rutted out road here. Very bouncy. Not steep or anything, but very bouncy. Let me get you out the side window. Okay, this is what we're going around. And according to Google Earth, there is another giant hole in the ground back here behind it, which may be where we need to be, or this could be another bust. I don't know. Uh-oh, we got another road. Great. The road splits. She says nah. It doesn't. I don't know what that is. Okay. Well, it is a road, but it's not a very good one. Okay, guys. I think we're just going to park it here for a second. See, you probably can't see them. There's red markers up there. Yeah, I don't know where this road goes. I don't think that went anywhere. Am I supposed to go up that hill? I mean, I can do it. I know where that hill goes, don't I? No, I don't know where that hill goes.
Over there.
Oh.
Let's just walk.
We're going to go out here and take a quick peek over the top of this hill and see what we see. Let's leave the truck running for a second. There's definitely some tire tracks here. This is not a mine. Somebody's just made a circle around this rock. There's some red flags going up that hill right there. Oh goodness, guys, I think this is a bust. I think this is a bust. I don't think there's any sunstones out here anymore. We're gonna continue on around to see where that goes. We're gonna follow that road around. And those red things up there must mean something. But I'm not gonna climb that hill. Alright guys, the quest continues. We went that way, all the way around, and came back out right behind me. So we're back to where we started yesterday, and there is a secondary road that we didn't see yesterday. This little path, I wouldn't call it a road. That's where we were yesterday, and this is where we are today. And there's a little pile of rocks right there that we're gonna go investigate. Okay, so there's the entrance. We went all the way around back to there. But we just discovered this. This is fresh dirt. Or not fresh, but it's different dirt. Someone has put an excavator in there. And there's a sign that we didn't see yesterday. Witness post, do not disturb nearby survey marker. Okay. Okay. Well, that's something. Survey marker is somewhere. So I think what happened here, somebody dug a little hole. Yeah, that's where the huge hole is, right up top. But somebody dug a hole here too. So is there anything here that looks like a sunstone? I'm going down in the hole, y'all. And I'm not 100% sure what a sunstone looks like. These just look like gravel to me. Beer can. Huh? She almost stepped on a lizard. So I'm not seeing anything.
Whatever lives in there doesn't come out.
I'm not seeing anything, yo. Alright guys, day 2, take 2 is a bust. We've been all over this knoll. All over. All the way around it, top to bottom, in and out. And I'm just going to go ahead and say, unless it's blatantly obvious that I'm missing it, there's nothing here. I'm going to stick with my original thing. Don't come out here unless you just want to come out for the drive and hiking around. We can't find anything. There's a hole in the ground right there in front of me that's fenced around. There's supposed to be another hole on Google Earth. I didn't see it. I just drove all the way around this thing. If you're going to come out, make sure you got a 4-wheel drive, or at least something with some clearance. I didn't need 4-wheel drive, but I sure was glad I had the clearance. That's it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me some comments. See you on the next video.